Hey, welcome back to Just Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be doing my semi-annual blow dry using the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. But before we can get into the blow dry, I had to do a wash. I'm going to fly through this wash because I have a full wash and go video that details my process and my tips. So be sure to check that out if you haven't already. I'll make sure to drop the link in the description below. If you like to bypass this wash part and get straight to my blow dry, please skip ahead to 3 minutes and 42 seconds. For those that are still interested in watching my wash process, here's a heavily sped up wash routine. To recap, I start by sectioning my hair and shampooing each section independently. Once all sections have been shampooed, still in my sections, I apply my rice water, my grapeseed oil, and my deep conditioner. Lately, I have been in love with the Thank God It's Natural Miracle Repair Conditioner. In the spray bottle, I'm applying the rice water to my hair. P.S. I do have a video that shows you how I make my rice water. Be sure to check that bad boy out, okay? Once all products have been applied to all sections of my hair, I put my shower cap on and then it's off to my steamer. Booyah! And we're back. So while I was away, I did detangle my hair, I rinsed out my conditioner, and I applied a little leave-in conditioner. Again, I skipped that part because it is detailed in my wash and go video that I am sure if you have not already seen, you are planning to watch next. Right? Okay, great. So boom, here I am squeezing out some of the excess water from my hair before applying my heat protectant and beginning my blow dry process. I am not a heat protectant loyalist, but this time I'm using the Aussie Total Miracle Heat Protectant, which I quickly learned applies better when I squirt it in my hand and apply it compared to applying it directly to my hair. After a quick application and a quick detangle, it's blow dry time. I put the Revlon dryer on high heat and notice that I'm brushing my hair down vertically rather than holding the brush horizontally. I've learned that this helps the brush, or the dryer in this case, to pass easily and causing less tangles and breakage. To use this brush, I have to take multiple passes over the subsection of my hair, and I found that medium-sized sections of hair were the best size, so you'll notice me subdividing my 4 quadrants. Once the section of hair was about 60% dry, I released another section and blow dried them all together. In order to minimize heat damage and breakage, I tried to clip away subsections of my hair that were at least 90% dry to avoid unnecessary passes. But once all of the subsections of one of the quadrants was dry, I released all of the hair and tried to blow dry the entire section together before pinning it up and moving on. And then it was on to quadrant number 2. With a similar process as the last quadrant, I began by squeezing out excess water, applying my heat protectant to the entire quadrant, doing a brief detangle with my brush, and then subsectioning my hair so that I can begin blow drying it. Once all of the subsections were mostly dry, I took all of the hair down and blow dried the entire quadrant together before clipping it away and moving on. Given that you've seen this process 2 times now, I'm going to speed up the remainder of my blow dry. Once all sections were dry, I went through with my blow dryer and tried to blow dry all of my hair together, as well as give some more attention to my roots. You'll notice that I'm subsectioning my hair again and really trying to give some focus to those roots. Honestly, I found it rather difficult to get my roots straight using these blow dryers, but what did help was this little hold on my root and wiggle down thing. Don't ask me why it works, but just know that it did. Even still, it's not perfect, but it's good enough. And this was my finished product. Overall, this blow dryer was easy to use, but I will say that I had a bit of trouble getting my roots as straight as I would like. I would give this product a 7 out of 10. But please let me know, what do you guys think? How did I do? And what other recommendations would you give me for next time? Please drop a comment below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And until next time, mwah.